Hey guys, it's Carter. Welcome back to the Next Podcast. Hope you guys are all doing well. We are going to be chatting about the biggest secrets when it comes with swing trading in the stock market. So I hope you guys all enjoyed this. If you guys do, hit that like button, subscribe. I appreciate you guys hanging out with us today. And obviously, if you want to learn more about swing trading, check out our school. Guys, it's absolutely fantastic. We got private live streams, quizzes, lectures, everything. If you want to take trading to that next level, check it out. And we got a back to school day sale. Back to school day sale. You guys can check it out. 50% off. Code SCHOOL for 50% off. You won't regret it. So check it out down below, guys. And let's dive into this. So when it comes with swing trading and trading in the markets, obviously, there is, I'm sure, a bunch of secrets, right? A lot of traders will probably not tell you things that are working and stuff like that. But guys, I am going to be brutally honest this podcast about things that work well for me and things that don't work well for me. So hope you guys all enjoy it and check out our school and all that stuff. So swing trading. First, let's kind of understand what it is and how to go about it. Then we'll start navigating through those secrets. So swing trading, obviously, when you buy a stock or an asset, you hold it for more than 1 day and less than 1 year. So yes, you can swing trade crypto. You can swing trade Forex, ETFs, index funds, stocks. There's a lot of things you can swing trade. For me, I swing trade stocks and with the occasional ETF. Now, on average, I hold my swing trades for about 6 to 9 days. So a little over a week on average, I would say. Now, getting to the secrets, the nitty gritty. What are some secrets? So a lot of people, right? I think we all know if you actively go on like YouTube or TikTok, you will see people with crazy returns. And this is one of the things I really think that causes a lot of people to lose money is that type of content. And yes, there's a lot of great trading channels like mine out there. But if you're a beginner and you see somebody making $1,000, $2,000 per day or per week, whatever it is, you have that association that it's easy. That it's an easy way to get rich. It's an easy way because this guy's posting a video of it, takes 10 minutes and he makes this money. No, as a trader, you have to have the association that trading is a job and not a hobby. That little quote, trading is a job. So think of a job, a doctor, a lawyer, engineer. Think of tradesman, electrician, carpenter, plumber. Do you think all those careers, they go to their job that day and they make $1 million? No, it takes a long time. And you got to have that. You got to have that drive and that sense of, okay, I'm going to start this and I am well aware that this could take me a month, 2 months, 3 months, but most of you, I would say 99% of you, it's going to take a year, 2 years, 3, 4 years. Are you kidding me? 4 years before I see any return? Well, think of college. How long does college take? 4 years, right? So you got to have that sense of, okay, I'm going to do this. I am going to devote myself to this. This isn't going to be something I do and I go, okay, well, I'll just start swing trading today and then I'll see how I feel next month. No, I personally, if you're going to do this, go at it 100%. You'll be better off. You won't have any regrets. And if worse comes to worse and you go, okay, well, 4 years later, which I highly doubt if you dedicated yourself for 4 years to learn trading, you will learn trading, right? If that consumes you, that's what happened to me. You'll be way better off. And yes, you will see these statistics. You see them all the time of people or these people say, okay, well, 85% of swing traders fail. Yeah, because they treat it as a hobby. They don't treat it as a job. So it makes sense. How many people off the street could be a doctor? Not that many. How many people could be engineers? Not that many. So yes, those statistics make sense if you actually think about it, right? If you think about it, they make sense because it's a job. Now, trading, if you're just starting out, there's a lot of things you can do to really set yourself in the right path. The first thing I would do is choose a broker you can kind of use really, really well. So for me, I use Moomoo. I'll put them down below. You guys can get up to 20 free stocks by signing up. But having a good broker is going to be very, very important, because this is going to be how you get in and out of positions. So this is going to be literally how you make money. This is going to be the site, the software, the site you use to make money. So what that means is you need to know everything about the broker, guys. So, I like I said, I like Moomoo, but there's a lot of great brokers out there. I think if you're starting to get into trading, make sure they offer good indicators. Make sure they offer good scanning, good good news, and have some sort of paper trading. So paper trading is using like simulated money to practice your trades. This is getting in and out, or this is going to be like, getting in and out of positions. This is going to be practicing, okay, do I want to be a day trader, swing trader? Do I want to, have this for my checklist? The paper trading time is very crucial for your trading. And I know there's a lot of traders that despise it. They don't like it, but I do think it's not necessary. I always think of everything I think of everything as like a doctor or an engineer. So do you think a doctor just instantly starts working on their patients? No, right? They have demos. They have, what are those mannequin type people they'll practice on. So in my opinion, I think that's very, very similar. And then after you paper trade for 6 months to a year, then fund an account with a small amount of money and start that process of using real capital, buying, selling, and if you're profitable with $100, you'll be profitable with $200, $300, $400. Once you have a strategy and you're profitable, the only thing that's separating you from making more money is just your account size. So just focus on learning, focus on the process, and you'll be in a great spot. So the next thing I want to talk about here is going to be the developing your trading plan. So this is going to be very, very important. You could have the right stock. You could know everything about the stock, but if you don't have the right trading plan, you'll lose money over the course of the long run. So, what this consists of, we'll just kind of break it down. Developing a trading plan is going to have your entry, your exit. You'll have a clear rules for when you enter the trade and exit based on your analysis. With your trading plan, you'll also have your risk management. So your stop loss, your, stuff like that. Now, risk management is crucial for trading, and a lot of people think that, risk management is all about making money, when in reality, it's about preserving your cash and your money. So I think that's very important. I would recommend if you're just starting out, I think it's good to do like 1% to 2% of your portfolio on any given trade. And then with your trading plan, we'll have like position sizing. So if you have a $100 account, or that's just a $100,000 account. I know that sounds like a lot of money, but if you have a large account size, do you go 100,000 on each trade? No, you'll go maybe 10,000 on a trade. You'll go, so then break it down. If you have $1,000 in your account, maybe you only put $100 in on a trade. Stuff like that's very important. And then, another thing that I do think is important is maintaining discipline and emotional control. A lot of trading doesn't come down to the actual buying and selling. It's the emotions behind it. So why are you buying? Why are you selling? So some things that you guys can do: develop a checklist and stick to it. Stick to your plan. Avoid over trading. A lot of people think you need to be in a position every single day to be successful, when in reality, I know a lot of traders that trade once a month, which I'm a swing trader. I'll take about 3 to 4 positions on average a week. So when somebody goes, oh, I only trade once a month, but when I'm dead money on this stock, I make 10 grand, then that's just their trading style. That's their plan. So avoid over trading, especially if you're trading out of emotion, I guess. And then obviously manage stress. Develop techniques to handle the pressures of trading. Such as breaks. Meditate, stuff like that's important. Working out, right? Work out, clear your head. That's very important. So for me, I also think that in order to be successful, you have to stay informed and constantly learn. So this brings me to one of my last things I want to talk about here today is staying informed and constantly learning is super important. Like every person that is a trader is also a student. I don't care whether I've been I've been swing trading for over 6 years, and I consider myself a student to the market. I do. It constantly teaches me things. It constantly tells me a way to improve. Just like the stock market changes every single day, if not every single minute, your mindset, your strategy, your plan will just alter a little bit, right, as the markets change. The last thing is, just stay informed. Keep up with market news. Any stocks you're in on, setting alerts on your phone so you know what's going on with them. The last thing I want to talk about here today is going to be keep a trading journal. This is probably the last thing and probably the most important. This is the journal I use. I'll put them down below. But the reason why this is important is you literally have, at least for this one, you'll track your performance, your mindset, your trade breakdown. Why did you enter this trade? Any comments, notes, errors, ways to improve. Draw your setup, describe it, write your checklist for entry. Guys, all this stuff, the biggest thing I see traders do is they make mistakes and they don't learn from them. They make their mistakes consistently. It's the worst thing you guys can do. But guys, these are some of the biggest secrets, the biggest myths for trading in the market. So I hope you guys all enjoyed it. If you guys did, hit that like button, subscribe, and don't forget to check out our school. You guys can use code SCHOOL for 50% off, and we'll see you guys in there. Hope you guys have an amazing rest of your day, and take care, everyone. Hope you guys have a good one.